Can't decide between a sea change or a tree change? This beautiful 12-metre motorhome and an included four-wheel drive allows you to choose. The slide-out room extension gives plenty of room to relax or entertain. With solar panels, an inverter, battery bank, a 5 kilowatt generator, 2 times 4.5 kilo gas bottles, 500 litres of fresh water, 225 litres of drinking water, 350 litres of grey water and 290 litres of black water, you don't have to rely on caravan parks as you're free to move as you wish. Welcome to your new adventure. Let's go in and have a look around. 2 swivelling captain's chairs, a rocker recliner and a 3-seater lounge which converts into a queen-size bed if your guests wish to stay overnight. So here we are in the driver's seat, and when you're not driving this amazing Winnebago and you're parked up for the evening, these captain's chairs are swiveled and turn around to become rocker recliners. A Korean dining table opposite the kitchen with 2 upholstered freestanding chairs and 2 folding chairs provide a comfortable dining area for the owners and 2 guests. Just look at the amazing amount of living space you get here when the side of the motorhome is actually out. There's enough room for entertaining family and friends. This motorhome is absolutely spectacular and the kitchen is no exception. It has a nearly full-size fridge and freezer, Korean bench tops and a convection microwave oven. The 4-burner cooktop and oven and griller work on a 240 volt system, a 12 volt system and also run on gas. There's so much to talk about in this space here, the combined bathroom and laundry with a proper flushing toilet and a combined washer dryer, plenty of storage for all your linen and a full-size shower. Wash basin as well is perfect for everything. This is a full queen-size bed that you can walk the whole way around, and there's plenty of storage for all your clothes. As well as the ducted air conditioner in the living room, there is a separate ducted unit in the bedroom and bathroom, plus the added luxury of ducted gas heating with bedside controls throughout the bedroom and bathroom for those chilly winter mornings. As you can see, there is carpet throughout the motorhome and ceramic tiles in the bathroom and kitchen areas, making for easy cleaning. Mood lighting, overhead lights and LED reading lights are throughout, and ventilation hatches with in and outflow fans are in the kitchen and bathroom. And just serviced yesterday is this 5 kilowatt Onan generator. So I want you to picture this. You've just pulled up for the evening, you've got the roast in the oven, you've just had a shower and now you're ready to sit down and relax for the evening with a glass of red watching the TV. How's the serenity? All of this could be yours.